How to fix fingerprint option not showing on Android. So if you want to fix fingerprint option not showing on your Android device, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for reset. Once you search for reset, you'll have reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. So if you have that option, simply tap on it and tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth, and tap on reset settings, which is on the bottom. Once you reset your settings, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next method, which is you just need to simply go back, scroll down, and go with system. Under system, if you have your system update, you just need to simply go with system update and update your system. And once you've updated your system, then your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply reset your phone or restart your phone. Just simply go and restart. Press and hold on to that power button and restart. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your fingerprint option not showing on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.